Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. It's Pot of Card Skill Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for their support, and I really appreciate the interest in the last video. Comments, likes, views, subscribers, viewers, I really appreciate the support. So I just want to talk about clear coat in a can. I've tried a few clear coats out of the can over my years, and I've never gotten the results that I've gotten from this stuff. This is the Duplicolor 1K Clear. Hands down the best clear coat out of a spray can that I've ever used. So if you've ever used Duplicolor before, the nozzles have a little blue nozzle, and you can choose what type of spray pattern you want to use, like vertical or horizontal. So that's what they look like, and I'm very used to these. I've used a lot of Duplicolor products, and this nozzle is very different. Obviously, it comes out quicker, so it's easy to overdo it. You got to be really careful. I would say, like doing your first couple passes, your light coats, you really want to be careful. You want to keep this clean, so you want to wipe this after you've done a coat. You want to give this a wipe, because it will clog up that nozzle, so you want to keep that clean as well. And of course you're going to practice good painting practices. So I use, before I even get to the outside and spray, I wipe it down with alcohol. Alcohol 70%, and I use a I don't know where my rag is at the moment, but it's like a sunglasses cleaning fabric. I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here on the floor. So I use this thing to get off all the oils. Maybe I washed it and then I handled it a little bit on spots, but usually after I wash it, it's pretty clean. Let it air dry, and then once it's dry, I hit it with the alcohol, rubbing alcohol, give it a good wipe down, and then I go outside and I grab my tack cloth. So that's this here. I got this up from the automotive store. It comes in a big sheet, and then I just cut off small sections to use. Keep them in a plastic bag so it's sealed and it lasts longer that way. It doesn't dry out. And then I rub this all over the body to get all the lint and dust as best I can, right? And so that's what you do. I do every single time. So the last two bodies I painted with the 1K Clear turned out probably the best I've ever cleared a body with just Duplicolor or Model Master. I haven't used a lot of Tamiya. I just couldn't get used to the nozzles. Because obviously anytime you go to a different nozzle, you got to learn how the nozzle sprays, what the pattern, how quick it comes out. So I'll just get you guys quickly turned around here, and we'll have a look at these two bodies that I cleared yesterday and today, and you be the judge. I know I'm sold. I've invested a lot of money into my airbrush and paints recently this year and last year. I have a lot of clears. I want to get better, but it's a bit of a learning curve, right? So for those of you who haven't gone over to the airbrush yet, if you want to try this out, I definitely recommend it. I did go overboard on my Jungle Gym second clear coat I put on. I went way too heavy and I had to sand it all down. Spent 4 hours sanding it down, so be careful with this stuff. Just with anything, you know, you don't want to go too thick. So I'll get you flipped around. You guys can have a look at this, and then, you know, you be the judge. Okay, so this is the one I painted yesterday. This is the Jungle Gym. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Turned out really, really nice. I had this in the dehydrator all night. It's pretty much dry. But yeah, I'm super impressed with the finish. I don't even know if I'm gonna, like, so the builds that I put a lot of work into, I normally would polish them. I don't even know if I'll have to do that. And this is the one I cleared today. I got 2 coats of clear on this. This was just done today. I had it in the dehydrator for a few hours, 3 hours so far. But that's how that looks. It's going right back in the dehydrator after this. But that's pretty darn good. You know, there is a little bit of I wouldn't say orange peel, but it's not completely flat, but it's close. It's very close. Whenever I use Duplicolor regular clear, I could never get it like this. Never. So there's a couple little goobers in there that I'll have to, I probably will polish this one. Be nice to see just how it looks after you polish it. So yeah, pretty happy with this stuff. I'm sold. It's a urethane clear, so it goes over anything pretty much. I cleared over my dune buggy, and that I painted that with acrylics, and I cleared the one clay clear over top and had no effect to the paint. Of course, I did the same thing, light coats. You know, you work your way up, right, every 10 minutes with this stuff. All right, well, I just wanted to share this with you guys. So I really appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hopefully you guys get something out of this. If not, if you guys like it, you don't like it, let me know if you've used it. And hope you all have a great weekend. This is my last day off. I'm heading back to work tomorrow early in the morning, so I'm going to get this out to you guys. And like I said, hope you all have a good, safe weekend. Talk to y'all soon. Pat out. Model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.